The Sabinal Horse Farm is a 1-hour drive from San Antonio and a short 20-minute drive from Uvalde. The property consists of over 28 acres with considerable highway frontage along US Highway 90. The ranch home is all electric with city utilities and has over 5,000 square feet of living area. The living room is spacious with vaulted ceiling and fireplace adding to its rustic decor. The horse facility encompasses over 8,000 square feet with the ability to stable up to 17 horses, along with its own office and apartment, and a brick courtyard with beautiful oak trees. Additionally, the property has a 1,200 square foot mobile home for added living quarters. The Sabinal Horse Farm is an ideal opportunity for someone looking to invest in a horse facility or just someone looking to call it home.